What's up with y'all boys? Hey, today I will be telling y'all how to drill for beginners. You feel? You know, this is a beginner video. So I know a lot of y'all people, you know, you want to know how to, drill. You want to know how to splash, you want to get off your wave. But it's like you really don't know where to start. You really don't know what to do. You feel? That's why I'm here, you know? Because I'm going to be here to teach you how to drill for beginners. I already know what type of person you are, you know? You saying you got a couple hoodies or something, you know, you got some little plain little pants, you know, you got some shoes. Not really that much, but you know, I feel you. Cause I used to be you in that situation before I learned how to water splash. You know? So basically I'm just gonna teach you how to flood the school, how to flood the mall, how to flood your house, make tsunamis everywhere you go. That's the wave. That's what I'm gonna teach you. So the first step to drill for beginners is you have to have a solid color. You have to have a solid color. So before you start trying to buy crazy things like crazy shoes that's neon green and orange and stuff like that, crazy color, you gotta have a pair of black shoes. So you know what? Come with me. So look, I'm trying to look. Hold on. Come with me. Let's go upstairs. Cause I'm about to show you the closet. You feel? Now my room is kind of dirty though, I ain't gonna lie to you. Hey, look at the room, look at the rug. What? Still man, yes sir. But look, okay. So this is the closet, right? But what I'm trying to tell y'all is y'all gotta have a base shoe, you know? So I think the first pair, hold on, okay. So my base shoe are these. These Air Maxes, I think they're 95. But these are my base, 95, 97 is one of them. These are my base shoes, okay? Now I got these now, yeah. I got these, I make sure I get them in black, because black goes with everything. And plus they got a little white at the bottom, so you know they go with everything. So that's why this is my base shoe. So you make sure you always gotta have a base shoe to go with your stuff. That's the only way. So after you have the base shoe, you wanna have another shoe, right? That goes with everything. For your next pair of shoes, you get an all white pair of shoes. Now, I have an all white pair of Huaraches, but honestly, they like deep down. Okay, here they go. I had these like my sophomore year. They dirty, but I had these right here. I'm not saying get an all white pair of Huaraches, but get you a pair of all white shoes. Maybe some Forces, they cheap, you know? Get you some Forces. You know, they easy, they cheap, and they look good, you know? So I advise you to get some all white shoes. Now, hold on, let's see if I want to set you up here. You feel? Okay. So listen, next. That's the plain thing with the shoes. That's all I'm gonna show you right now. So shoes is to get some base shoes. Now, we're going from the bottom up. So now we're gonna start with the pants. Now the pants, I ain't got no pants over there, but the pants. Base pants that I suggest that you guys get. Now, you can either get some blue jeans. That's a basic blue jeans, right? But don't just get no regular blue jeans. Blue jeans with rips. Get some blue jeans with rips. Do I got some blue jeans with rips? Get you some, not these. Get you some blue jeans with rips. Okay, well, I don't think I got the blue. Okay, are these? Okay, here they go. Look. Hold on. Get you some blue jeans with some rips. You feel me? Ladies, these jeans are very worn out though, so I don't really wear them like that like I used to, but get you some blue jeans with some rips. I did this rip, but get you some real legit blue jeans with some rips. Okay. I got some more blue jeans, but these got a stripe on them though. But they ripped though. So they hard. They hard, real hard. And then the next pair. Get you some black jeans. You need some blackety blacks. Feel me? Don't know what my black jeans are. But they plain black. Oh, they in a washing machine. But look, plain black jeans, right? You know what black jeans look like. You don't even have to have the rips on the black jeans, honestly. But this is the thing, like, bro, don't be getting jeans that just some basic jeans. No, bro, you gotta get some hard jeans. You know, make the jeans fit. Jeans gotta fit you. Don't get no jeans that's too baggy. Don't get no jeans that you know what I'm saying? That look like eesh.
Who would have thought a fashion trend like wearing baggy pants could prove to be life-threatening?
And the bigger the pants, the more can possibly be concealed on that person.
Such as guns, knives.
Don't want no jeans like that. Don't get no jeans like that. Gotta have jeans that fit. That's important. Next up, get you some Adidas pants. Listen, Adidas pants go with everything. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro. They go with literally everything, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro. Adidas pants will literally go with everything. You know? Like, anything you want to wear, put on some quick little Adidas pants, and guess what? You got them. They look good. You know what I'm saying? They look good. They look good with everything. Okay. Now next, we got the pants down. We got the pants down pat. So now we got to go to the most important part that I love, which is the shirts / jackets. No, just keep the shirts. Keep the shirts. So the shirts. So now, listen, look at this shirt I got on, right? It's a graphic tee, graphic trippy red tee, right? All of that. Get you a graphic tee. Graphic tees are very important. Graphic tees are very important when it comes to drip. They're very, very important. Look. Nirvana tee. You know, cool little tee. But that's the thing, bro. Like, you want to drip, but you don't want to spend too much. You feel me? Got a little Thrasher shirt. You know, like, bro, you gotta get you a graphic tee, bro. That's mandatory. That's mandatory. And if you can, get you a short shirt too. These hard. These go with a lot of things too. These hard, real hard. I can wear these with my zebras. Yeah, these hard, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all. You gotta have a graphic tee, bro. Graphic tees are very important. Throw some black jeans. No rips. Regular black jeans. Skinny jeans. Yes, sir. Skinny to wave. Money machine member. All right. Yeah. Feel me? That's the way, bro. You gotta have a graphic tee. Graphic tees are important. You know? Remember, this is just a beginner guide. Now, once I start to get too advanced and keep going up, then you're gonna start feeling the real wave. You really gonna start feeling the wave. Then you're gonna start getting stuff like this. Hold on. Then you're gonna start getting stuff like this. You feel me? You're gonna start getting stuff like this. Real drip. You can't even deal with that like this. Then you're gonna start getting some of these. Some of all this. All of this. All of that. It ain't really organized. My shoes ain't organized like that, but you're gonna start getting something like these. We ain't there yet. We're not there yet. We're just beginners. Remember that. Get you a beanie like this. Get you a beanie, bro. Something, you know what I'm saying? Your hair messed up. Get you a beanie, bro. Get you a hat. Adidas hat. Something like that, you know? Get you a regular little hat. We're not there yet. We're not there yet. Relax. We ain't there yet. Just relax for me. So, listen, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro. That is the way to go, bro. If you listen, bro. Like I said, remember. Look at me. Look at me now. Okay, you looking? Okay, good. Okay, bro. So now that y'all seen upstairs in my closet, now that I showed y'all what was up and what, you know what I'm saying, you had to do, I gave y'all the basics. I gave y'all, you know what I'm saying, the basic shoes. Remember, yes, you gotta have the solid colors first. The solid colors that go with everything first. You gotta have that. That's mandatory. Don't go crazy, get nothing crazy like these or you know, like something crazy, you know. Even though I love these shoes. I love these shoes, bro. Like these shoes, they go with everything. But remember, you're not there yet. You're not there yet, bro. Just relax. You're not there yet. Yeah, you gotta do that. Pants, jeans, blue jeans, black jeans. Blue jeans with rips, regular black jeans, or you can get black jeans with rips. Shirts, graphic tees. Graphic tees. You gotta have the graphic tees, bro. Cause that's important. That brings eyes to your tee. And if the graphic tee look good, bro, it look good. But don't do what I don't like to do nothing too like, you know what I'm saying, graphic everywhere, here. No, bro, I don't like none of that. I like just graphic straight, like right like this, bro. Just simple, like say if this was covered, it would be hard. Like this is all covered and just say it should be red like that, hard, bro. I like the simple but good stuff. You know, I like the simple, but it's hard type stuff. That's what I like. Listen, man, thank y'all so much for watching, man. Teaching y'all, you know, how to do it. This is how we do it. Around here, in these parts. Now you about to be flooding. You ain't about to be flooding yet, bro. You're not about to be flooding yet. Relax. You're not there yet. How many times I gotta tell you, bro? You're not there yet. You're going to be like, you're gonna be a puddle. Just a little puddle. A little puddle. Water sound. You know? Just a little puddle. That's what you're gonna be. Nothing major. You ain't no tsunami yet. You know tsunami yet, but you're a puddle. And that's just important. Keep the puddle. Thank y'all so much for watching, man. Hey, man. If you found this helpful, you know, click the like button. If you didn't find it helpful, hey, I'm sorry. I don't know what to tell you, because I gave y'all this stuff, you feel me? But thank y'all so much for watching, you feel me? More videos on the way. That way. Supreme way. We out.
Pierre, you wanna come out here?